Hey everyone, so some really exciting news. The entire crypto market cap is down right now. Be sure to like for more videos like this because we're diving deeper on the Shiba Inu ecosystem, on the Shiba Inu space, and what's going on with Shiba Inu overall. This is obviously affecting Shiba Swap. Buy the dip, SHIB army, don't doom, take advantage of the whale sell off the larger coins. And I definitely do think the whales that are selling off right now are going to be back in the future. The dip in the crypto market is a cycle. We still have not reached the last month low of June 26, where Bitcoin was down to 30k and Ethereum was 1,700, causing SHIB to be under this price. Unfortunately for most of us, Shiba Swap launched right at the start of the current dip cycle. So I think right now we're in the middle of a bear market and then we are beginning the bull run. So half is already done, but the other half is still coming. So this is nothing new, and the market will correct itself in a week or so. We will see Bitcoin and Ethereum reach their cyclic high, 34 and 2,300 respectively. While this could happen, actually seeing in a few days that the market does improve, we also have to stay realistic and think maybe this could last the whole August. Now, obviously, this is just my non-financial opinion, and what I do think is a lot of things can affect the price. Imagine if Apple decides to buy 2.5 billion in Bitcoin or in Shiba Inu, what will happen to the price then? What if a trillionaire put all of their life savings into Shiba Inu? Then Shiba Inu would be worth 1 trillion. Well, a lot less than that because whales would obviously sell. But now is not the time of panic sell because you can see your wallet value drop. This is a perfect time to buy the dip and watch your wallet value increase in the next 10 or so days as the cycle rides back up. The good news for us SHIB holders is this dip in the cycle has not caused SHIB to drop below the threshold like the last dip, meaning our floor index has risen. Each time the floor rises, ceiling also rises, and at some point we will be breaking that zero. Now, another important update is that you can actually purchase a stock on Weebl for $5 and get up to 2,400. That's really exciting, so be sure to pause this video, actually pause it. I really like that, Weebl giving a fair chance, and Weebl could be listing Shiba Inu pretty much soon. So that's another reason to use it. Thank you so much for watching this because this actually does support my channel, and you get 2 free stocks which could be worth a lot. They could be worth $2,400 just for $5. That's a pretty crazy bet. And in the end, you still have those $5, but you get 2 stocks free. Now, if we check over here, after paying all these gas fees, Ethereum logo makes a lot of sense to me. All in all, it's a meme, but we have to talk about Shiba Swap fees. The Shiba Swap fees are there for a reason. So only spare change actually goes to Ethereum gas. Ethereum gas is pretty much fine right now. You pay like $2 or $3, but it's a pretty good meme from what I'm seeing so far. If we check over here, Shiba will create generational wealth across all demographic worldwide, and you can see SHIB army strong, and the power is in the community, not about how much marketing money you put into. We had an organic growth to this point, and I think we can be growing a lot more. Obviously, people are saying $1. This is impossible. This will not happen by 2025. We can eat a few zeros by 2025. That's only in 4 years or maybe even 3 years, but $1 in 2025 and 1 cent in 2022 is just unrealistic. But overall, the community gets stronger and the community grows even more. Now, special announcement from Robinhood. Robinhood warns a crypto drop is coming amid IPO filing. According to the trading app, it expects its Q3 revenue to be lower as a result of increased crypto trading in the first quarter, driven in part by Dogecoin. And stock and cryptocurrency trading app Robinhood is expecting its quarterly revenue to increase based on significantly high trading volume earlier this year. So of course, we're not going to be seeing a next high, but we could be seeing the market recover. All I want to see is the market recover right now, so Shiba Inu actually gets listed on Robinhood, on Weebl, on eToro, everywhere else. That's the most important thing. We're not going to be seeing that at the highest this year just yet, but maybe next year, we could be lucky. I mean, it's not all luck. We're waiting for big institutions to come in. And the most important thing is a lot of big institutions haven't come into crypto yet. Visa now taking the opportunity and offering people massive advantages that were never here before. February was particularly high, but dropped by the end of second quarter of 2021. According to its trading app, it's expect its Q3 2021 revenue to be lower as a result of decreased trading activity relative to the record highs in trading, particularly in cryptocurrencies. So people are not using cryptocurrencies as much as they did in Q2. So basically, basically May. Surprise, surprise. According to its trading app, 70% of total revenue for Q1 was derived from transaction-based revenues earned from crypto transactions, compared with 4% in the previous quarter. Robinhood reported that more than 9.5 customers traded roughly 88 billion. When are they going to be listing Shiba Inu? I think when the market improves. So it could be this year, it could be next year. Honestly, I do think Shiba Inu has a lot of potential when getting listing on Robinhood because it has so many more updates. You know, it's gonna be on other coins as well. But before reaching an all-time high of more than 68 cents on May 6, Robinhood claimed that its business could be adversely affected if the markets for Dogecoin deteriorate or if the price of Dogecoin declines without similar demand for other tokens on the app. The finding come from the trading app is preparing to go public on Nasdaq exchange using the ticker HOOD. On July 1, Robinhood filed a Form S-1 registration statement with the SEC, saying it intended to move forward with an initial public offering for a Class A common stock. And what we have to know here, Robinhood is also reportedly continuing to face scrutiny from regulators in the United States. After they clear that up, I do think they will actually list Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is just having too much volume out there to not be listed. Imagine, if you do not list Shiba Inu and you're on exchange, you're doing something wrong because Shiba Inu brings a lot of money. It doesn't bring as much money as Dogecoin and Bitcoin, but it does bring that money that you cannot pass off. And the more exchanges that list SHIB, the more Shiba Inu will grow. The trading app said it reached an agreement in principle with the regulatory body to pay some of the fines on a no admit, no deny basis. And the most important thing is, here today, neighboring Kazakhstan has attracted crypto mining firms as they look for greener pastures outside China. Remember when Elon Musk said we need to go green? Are you going to be driving your Tesla when you become rich with SHIB? I'm obviously not going to be selling just yet. But personally, I want to know your opinion, so be sure to drop a comment. I really want to know. Also, how old are you? That's a common question we have in our comment section. I think that's really exciting to see. Miners from China, which until the spring of the year accounted for about half of the world's Bitcoin hash rate, are migrating overseas following a government crackdown on the industry. Many have flocked to Russia's neighboring Kazakhstan, which has surpassed Russia in terms of the share of the global hash rate. So people are now mining both in Russia, both in Kazakhstan, and they're basically moving away from China. So they're going to be next big crypto countries. So hopefully the countries do notice this and actually make a big turn, a big U-turn, just like US on crypto mining. Because more crypto miners means Bitcoin goes up, because there's more demand for Bitcoin, of course, because when you mine something, like that's when you provide like the fees to be blocked and everything like that. Obviously not a lot of miners right now because of the China ban, where there were 70% of the miners, but hey, slowly but surely we're getting back on the horse. We just gotta stay patient. We're slowly but surely. Right now, imagine if we had a Shiba Inu baby, a Shiba Inu pup. And that Shiba Inu baby is actually growing right now. It's slowly growing into a little puppy. Right now, it's in development stages, aka the little puppy. Now, it needs to become a full-grown Doge, and then it needs to become a senior Doge, or basically a senior Shiba Inu, where we are seeing Shiba Inu actually having a lot of updates, a lot of video games, a lot of uses, a lot of adoption, being used in multiple countries. That's when we can reach 1/10 of a cent. Half a cent. That's the most important factor. Obviously, it might take some time, because dogs, they tend and need the care to actually grow. So right now, we have to provide the care to the Shiba Inu. I won't say you should buy, because I don't know what will happen with the prices. The prices have been crazy if you've been looking at the market right now. A lot of people are unhappy, which I completely understand. I'm unhappy as well. But this is the part of crypto. What goes up must go down. What goes down must go up. This is the rule, one rule of crypto that has applied for over 11 years now. It's either, are you out of the game? Are you in the game? Are you going to be selling your crypto for pennies? Are you going to be selling them for diamonds? Are you going to be selling your Shiba for a bag or a sandwich? Or are you going to be selling it for a Lambo in a nice house? Obviously, I might be over-exaggerating here, but it's not all about Lambos. It's about financial independence. It's about getting paid from Shiba Swap, and that's what I love. That's what I love. Passive income, everyone. Until next time, thank you so much for dropping a like. Be kind to each other. Spread positivity, and that's it for today. Peace.